How to enable automatic file recovery in Notepad in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to make sure unsaved changes are restored if Notepad closes unexpectedly. First, open Notepad on your computer. After that, click on the three dots menu or the settings gear icon at the top right. From there, click on Settings. At this point, look for the option related to Session Restore, sometimes shown as When Notepad Starts. In the next step, select Continue Previous Session, since this ensures unsaved tabs and edits are restored the next time Notepad opens. Following this, keep in mind this feature is enabled by default in recent Notepad versions, so you may already have it turned on. Once done, test it by typing something in a new tab without saving, then closing Notepad completely. From here, reopen Notepad to confirm your unsaved tab and text automatically reappear. At this stage, keep in mind this only restores your session state. It doesn't automatically save your work as an actual file, so manually saving is still important for anything you want to keep long-term. Keep in mind this feature works only on the same device, so it won't sync unsaved content across multiple computers. Finally, close settings once you've confirmed automatic file recovery is enabled the way you want. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable automatic file recovery in Notepad in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.